Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. Today I put a little video together of the final touches of the inside. The vacuuming, cleaning up, and the carpet, and put the seats in. Did a little more cleanup and put some armorall protectant on there too, because that cleaning was kind of harsh. It dried them up pretty good, and then all that sunlight, drying in the sunlight. So I hope you enjoy. Let's do a before and after. Just a little bit of chewings and dirt. Okay, time to vacuum. All right, looking pretty good. I used a little spray nine and a brush on the carpet, and then I wiped the kick panels a little bit. I need to go back and do the back deck, put the cards back in, rear seat, and then the front seat. I still have the front seat out drying in the sun. Another update. Side cards are in. Next is the seat. Back seat's in, looking pretty good. Alright, let me show you this front seat. Get in here. Come out real nice. Yeah, the sun's shining pretty good there. Carpet looks pretty good. And it's all nice and clean. I get the can't think what they're called now. The kick plates are. You got to mount the seatbelt strap there. It's all nice and clean down inside here. Right there is where I was having the trouble. There's a pin that goes in there. That's all nice and clean. Back seats looking good. Wanted to show you this before I put the armorall on there, because it should all be nice and shiny then. I don't know if you can see that or not. But that's all looking good. Oh, it's all nice and dry. The sun does a wonderful job. The sides are good. I don't know if you can see the front or not. Too much light over there. Next I got to do the dash. Radio's my last issue. I just didn't want no dust blowing in my face when I drive down the road. Plus all that chewings underneath. Well, I want to put the door card on this side and put a armrest in too. Even though the door's all dented up, we're going to worry about body work last. All right, let me show you what it looks like now. I put some armorall on it. I definitely wanted to put some kind of protectant on it because that was a harsh cleaning. And shiny. Did the dash. Still have to do the windshield. This is probably going to take another coat once all this stuff soaks in, because it was pretty dry. There's the back seat. Side cards. So looking pretty good. I even did in behind the seats here and stuff too. So we got some protection on there. America. I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of I did a little shine in here. Should clean up real nice. Just got to find the screws now, which I haven't seen any, so I'll have to take a trip to the junkyard, I guess. Okay, and with that, at least I don't have all that chewage and stuff that was underneath the seat blowing around on me while I'm driving down the road. Hopefully that tide will be in the next couple weeks and I'll be able to drive this down the road, work all the bugs out of it. And because I got to race JB's little shop down in Sykeston, Missouri, September 30th, October 1st for the No Name Nationals. He needs some subscribers, so do I. And so please like and subscribe. I want to thank you all for watching. Ring the notification bell. I forgot it. And be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.